Guys, I thought I'd make you a little short, quick video of my remote control helicopter that I got for Christmas. 50-something-year-old guy still playing with remote control helicopters and toys. I'm not very good at flying it, but I am getting a little bit better than what I was. Let me crash it right off the bat. Come on, let's come over close to the camera where you can see it. You know, I didn't think I'd like anything like this. Y'all don't pay no attention to my nasty den. It's got junk in here. Whole wall of tapes and movies that I watch from time to time. Little orange taco sitting over in the corner, snug as a bug. Now that headlight you can turn on and off. See the headlight blinking on it? You can turn the headlight off or back on. I really love that. Not much room here in the den. This den's not a gigantic room, but see my deer I got over there? I shot that back when I was a young man, years ago. Only time I've ever been hunting, and my brother-in-law promised me that we would find one, and dang if we didn't. Shot it with a 300 Magnum Rover from about 100 yards. Alright, let's go back to the landing pad. Like I crashed it. Let's do a little bit better than that. There you go. See the headlight blinking? You can cut the headlight off. Cut it back on. I didn't think I'd like a helicopter, but I love it. Uh-oh. Battery's getting weak. I didn't let it charge up completely. Come over here to Daddy. There you go, guys. There you go. There's a little bit better shot of it. It's just one of the $49 ones from Wal Mart. It's $50 in tax. Headlight off. On. Alright, let's go back and land. Come on. There you go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I love this helicopter. I'm a kid. Play with Lionel trains, mini bikes. I got a remote control army tank. Remote control 18-wheeler. I don't think I'll ever grow up. I don't know what I want to be when I grow up yet. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Buy you one, and they're a lot of fun. Take it easy. See you later.